Hey, this is Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping, where we show you how to minimize bookkeeping and maximize profits. Today I have a very important question for you. Is your money mindset holding you back? Let's find out. I have worked with hundreds of small business owners, and I'm continually perplexed and saddened by the fact that so many entrepreneurs sabotage their business finances. I initially thought that this problem came as a result of just being too busy. So you're too busy with your business to deal with the financial side of your business. But after really delving deep into the area of money psychology, what I learned is that busyness and procrastination are just a symptom of a greater problem. First, let's start with your attitudes about money. What is your earliest memory that involves money? Perhaps you had a bad experience with money and it caused you to hoard money and not want to spend a lot of money. Or perhaps you had other experiences where you felt like if you spent a lot of money, that made you feel special, and maybe now you overspend money. So think back to your earliest money memories and think about how that is affecting you right now and how you perceive your relationship with money. Are you overspending? Are you underspending? Are you afraid to look at the financials for your business? Think about that. Next is fear of numbers. Did you know that there's actually a phobia of numbers? So many of us go back to when we were young in elementary school and had all that anxiety about not being good with numbers. We weren't good at math. We weren't good at geometry, at higher level mathematics, and all of a sudden that has caused us to feel inadequate about dealing with numbers. And that particular attitude really can carry over again into your business and wanting to engage with your financials and really know what's going on with your business. Now, you can't run your business blind. There's no way you can do that. You cannot manage what you can't measure. So think about whether your attitude about numbers is affecting how you engage with your business financials today. And I bet that it's having an effect. And finally, it's lack of financial training. Small business owners don't receive financial training. You're not required to know what a balance sheet is or what a profit and loss is or to interpret financial data for your business. You're just left to your own devices to figure it out on your own. And unfortunately, the internet and YouTube are just not going to get you there. You don't know what financial tasks you should be performing on a regular basis. If a bookkeeper is doing work for you, you don't really know what they are doing. You don't know how to organize yourself in your finances. My question to you then is, how is your lack of financial training affecting how you perceive the importance of the financial side of your business? Perhaps you've bought QuickBooks, but you don't realize that it actually takes time, effort, and dedication to maintain your own books. You don't really know how to organize yourself financially or how to really establish a proper financial management system. Perhaps you're embarrassed by your lack of financial training, which, by the way, as I said, most business owners don't have financial training. And if you're embarrassed, you're probably not asking for help. And you're even probably underestimating the value of working with a professional bookkeeper or accountant. So now do you see how your money mindset is affecting your attitude about engaging with the financial side of your business? You're procrastinating and putting it off, but it's not because you're busy, it's because of the issues that I just mentioned. If you'd like to tackle your own financials and gain control over the financial side of your business, I have a free resource for you. It's called the Bookkeeping DIY Blueprint. And in this free resource, I share with you what you need to know to do your own bookkeeping, from getting yourself organized, from the documents that you need to do your bookkeeping every month, even the 5 monthly steps that you should be doing in order to do your own bookkeeping. So go ahead and find the link in the description box below and get signed up for the free Bookkeeping DIY Blueprint. If you like this content, if it's helpful, then make sure that you comment, like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you can get all of my latest videos. I'm Veronica Wasek with 5-Minute Bookkeeping.